How to clear YouTube cache on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you should know that you cannot directly clear the cache from the app itself, so what you need to do is move into the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, move into General, and then head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, scroll down and move into YouTube. Tap on Offload app, and then once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and also the storage of the application. Not only that, it will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. And if you're also facing any of the bugs on YouTube, then it will also get fixed, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can clear cache on YouTube on iPhone. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.